Hi everyone, welcome back to Live Green. Now more and more people are becoming interested in composting at home because it's such a great way to reduce food wastage and take care of the environment. Now today I'm going to give you a very simple and easy masterclass in how to create compost at your house. Okay, let's get started. Now here are the tools that you'll need. You'll need an indoor container, something small like this, because what you're going to do is every day you're going to put your food scraps in here. Ideally, you want it on your kitchen countertop just to remind you to put your food scraps in there. A lid is a great idea to keep it secure, and a handle so you can transfer this outside each day. Now, you'll need an outdoor container too, and this is going to be your compost bin. So what I've done is I've just bought this from a local supermarket, and I've actually drilled holes all around on the lid and also underneath, which is very important because you need the excess moisture to drain out. I like this bin because it's got handles and they're secure. The lid is important because you don't want any rodents or pests getting into your food compost. And really, that's it. Okay, so what can you actually compost? Well, you can compost any organic material, such as fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, things like lettuce, things like potato peels, carrot peels. Also, you can use coffee and tea grains, which is excellent and gives it some added nutrients. Also, eggshells. Now, just put these all in your little compost bin each day. And what I like to do is I like to crush everything up, and I also like to cut everything up into small pieces. And this will actually help everything decompose so that you get compost quicker. It's also really important to have brown material in your compost. And what I mean by that is anything such as dried leaves and dried plants. You can also put in recycled cardboard and paper, and what this will do is to reduce any smells and any moisture in the compost. Okay, now for the method of composting, and it's really important to layer. So what you need to do is layer with the brown material first, and then what you're going to do is you're going to add a layer of your food. And then, very importantly, you need to add some water. And what will happen is the water, the moisture, will actually encourage the microbes in the compost to decompose the material. So after about 4 to 8 weeks, you should have something that resembles this. It's kind of like really dark soil. It's full of nutrients. It doesn't have any smell at all, unlike some animal compost. And then what you do is you just basically sprinkle this onto your garden, your indoor plants, and this will give it lots of really good nutrients. So here's my quick roundup of home composting. You'll need a kitchen container, and what you'll do every day is to just add your food scraps, just fruit and vegetable peels, no animal products, put your lid on, and then every day you'll put it into your outdoor compost bin. And then what you're going to do is you're going to layer it with the brown material. And then you're going to add some water. You'll just need it slightly damp, not wet. And then once a week, you grab a fork and you're just going to turn it so you mix all the air and aerate the compost, which will really help to get all the material to decompose at a quicker rate. And put it in a nice warm spot, because that also helps everything to turn into compost really quickly. Okay, that's my quick and simple steps to home composting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you've got any questions. Until next time, bye for now.